So other than the story for Berserk, जो कि लोगों को 6 episodes में पता चल जाएगी, there are other elements that really add value to it, like the cinematography, for example. Oh my God, you look at those trees and that landscape, and you're like hit by that spectacle. So वो भी एक next level है. So tell me about that process a little bit, the direction and how the shoot was done, the filming was done. This was Gilgit Chitral? Gilgit Baltistan. Yeah. Tough to go up there and shoot and stay there for how long? Just tell us a little bit about the process.
What, 5 weeks?
Yeah, I
The
think
team was there for 2 months, and I think we were there for...
And not in winter, I would think.
But I went and I came, I think. Yeah.
September, October. It was just the last few days were unbearable. And there were a lot of night scenes.
Yeah.
तो बहुत ठंड लगती थी, but otherwise, like I said last time, just the being in the mountains, a different kind of energy takes over when you're surrounded in nature and mountains.
I keep looking for horror stories, but nobody's giving me any. During the shoot.
पहाड़ों में कुछ.
Oh, there was an incident.
Tell now, please.
But अब exclusive नहीं रहा, मैंने एक और interview में भी उसका तस्करा किया.
कोई बात नहीं.
So हमारे ना across जिस घर में हम shoot कर रहे थे, जो palace था itself, right? जो उनका summer home था. तो वहाँ पे set लगे हुए थे ऊपर वाले floor में और नीचे वाले floor में. और फिर पीछे the complex continues, जिसमें the families had shifted पीछे वाले कमरों में, which are the newer blocks. This was like the oldest block.
You're talking about the Mir of Hunza's house.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, रात को when there's like the moon was out and you could see the बादल नजर आ रहे हैं चांद की रोशनी में और पहाड़ नजर आ रहे हैं, there's glistening white snow and all of that stuff. So I turned and saw the house, and this is around about, I think this is past 12. I don't know if it was 3 o'clock, if it was 12 or 1, I don't remember. 3 sounds like a better number.
Yeah.
3 होता है ना? नहीं, 3 o'clock होता है.
3 o'clock is the witching hour.
3 o'clock.
Is it? Is it 11:11?
No, 11:11.
It's 3, I believe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so. Horror films मैंने 3 देखा. Anyway, the long story short was कि because they had shifted there, तो उन कमरों में कोई नहीं होता था, वो लॉकअप हो जाता था because अंदर सामान सारा पड़ा हुआ था. तो रात के वक्त जो है ना, एक कमरे में पहले लेफ्ट, like at the very end of the house, मोर्स कोड की तरह ना लाइट ऑन होती है, फ्लिकर होती है, ऑफ होती है. मैंने कहा एक दफ़ा को फ्लक्चुएशन हुई, फिर ऑन होती है, ऑफ होती है. फिर उसके बाद the other room at the end, which was the dining hall,
I don't know.
वहाँ पे ऑन होती है, ऑफ होती है. And this continues for at least like 5-6 minutes. I even have it on video. I'll show it to you afterwards. I thought that was somewhat supernatural. I mean, I didn't see
तो ये तो
forms
आपको चित्राल में भी हुआ था?
चित्राल में तो मैं बताता हूँ क्या हुआ था. चित्राल में तो we were in our rooms और ऊपर जो है ना, like बाथरूम की रोशनदान है. I don't have to tell you what I was doing in the bathroom.
Okay.
But I was minding my own business.
Yeah.
And then I heard some, like, as if like a heavy body was crawling on the tin roof, and this is what I heard.
Could
like,
be
if
a
you can
cat.
hear it in the mic,
Could be a
I heard like a.
You could hear heavy breathing, crawling,
Oh, you too-
scratching.
you heard it
I
as
know,
well?
he told us this.
Then I went to, and उस रात को 4 कमरों में
Light
लोगों के
गई,
charges
ठक
फट गए.
करके, हाँ, मेरे
Charges
कमरे में
फट गए.
फटा था.
So
Same
I
time.
heard like a crackling in the wall. It sounded like insects in the wall first. Because apparently it was the crackling of electricity, and then it went, and the charges started again. But that heavy breathing just sounded like, it was weird. I had to call one of those people जो reception पे थे, and मैंने कहा मुझे लगता है कि ऊपर कोई या तो जानवर है या कोई चीज़ है जो खड़ी हुई है.
उन्होंने कहा
So
अक्सर ही लोग
चित्राल में
complain
मैंने
करते हैं.
incidents सुने कि apparently, so I mean maybe these are stories and,
Yeah.
and whatnot, but वो जो क्या होता है touching the sky type जो
Like वहाँ के पिक्चर
बहुत
पे
होते हैं.
Yeti.
पिचल बेरी नहीं,
Yeti type.
Yetis नहीं, you know the what is it called, उसका क्या नाम जो होता है उर्दू में,
पिचलबेरी?
tall man जो होता है,
Jinn.
the skin क्या कहते हैं, skin something, not skin walker, जो एक इंटरनेट पे एक वो भी बन गई थी, myth बन गई थी, one that you keep looking up and it keeps going up to the sky.
Oh, I don't know.
So उस तरह के जो है creatures का मैंने किसी ने बताया था कि यार, और बुखार चढ़ जाता है, बाल सफेद हो जाते हैं. Now that could be just story, but this incident happened. I'm
This
telling you.
happened.
Yeah. So
So
if
did
you're
you
looking
want
for a
to-
thrill,
did you want to
if
run
you're-
the next day?
If you're looking for a thrill, go there.
Go there. If you're looking
Yeah.
for a haunting, like go there.
You'll have fun.
You'll have
We even
fun.
came up with a story for a new horror series actually.
Huh.
Like how
Like,
each
that's the perfect setting for a horror film.
how each crew member dies.
Okay. Nice.
We start in the middle of the story.
Huh.
It's the wrap of the series,
Huh.
and then after that, each character, from the director to the actors, dies a very particular death. तो जो उनकी सबसे जो एक annoying habit होती है, या उनका जो सबसे बड़ा अपना एक sin होता है एक तरह से, something that's like a bad habit.
Right.
They die according to that, like they die according to the 7 deadly sins. So they all die in different circumstances.
And you came up with the story while you were
We came up with the story in 15 minutes, in 20 minutes.
Zabardast. Zabardast.
And there's one left behind, and that was
Who was left?
Zainab was left behind, and she's saved by farm. These are our internal conversation कर रहे हैं. You can just
But
cut
very
this out.
dark
No, it's fine.
horror story
Yeah,
themes.
yeah.
Yes, Fawad
अच्छा,
comes
so
up in.
बरज़ख is that वो वक्त है जबकि रूहें जा रही हैं and they're like in an
Purgatory.
purgatory, right? एक किस्म का है. मगर वहाँ किसे वाकई ये tradition है associated with चित्राल.
बरज़ख का
हाँ.
Tradition?
There's something
कैलाश
that
में?
happens there. या कैलाश में.
Like a full moon festival. वो क्या है वो
This
dinner?
equinoxes, उनके
Because
summer और
that-
winter
that is-
equinoxes
that
होते
is-
हैं.
Equinoxes.
That does come into the narrative, right?
What's the word? The dinner with an M? Mehergan.
Mehergan is the event, but
Is
that's
the
in
event.
Hunza. That's not in Chitral.
हाँ
मगर
ये
that
हुंजा
has
है.
been used in बरज़ख.
हम कभी चित्राल की
हम
बात
लोग
कर रहे थे,
अभी-
but हुंजा.
But actually हुंजा में बरज़ख है.
They believe in fairies and shamans
हाँ
as well.
ये ना
Yes.
ये
Yeah.
वहाँ पे है tradition. So tell us about that. कि it
Encounter
actually
नहीं हुआ, but they
exists
said
and-
कि shamans होते हैं.
पहाड़ों में होते हैं fairies की कहानीज and other supernatural
Okay.
beings, and maybe because the altitude, maybe because of lack of oxygen, and maybe क्योंकि वहाँ वादियों में
Hallucinating.
पहाड़ों में हो सकता है. So
Hypoxia.
there's always these.
Okay. And
myths
coming back
stories.
from supernatural to reality, you both are very particular about the roles you take, and you're also particular about looking, and the character has to be different. Like intonation फर्क हो, हंसने का रोने का तरीका फर्क हो, स्टाइल फर्क हो. यहाँ जब आप 3 प्रोजेक्ट आगे पीछे कर रहे थे, were there any overlaps in the shoot? How difficult was it to maintain a character? Or were they spaced out? Because I keep thinking about this. I mean, you're doing 3 very
Yeah,
diverse.
the-
Both of you are in
But
very
बरज़ख में ऐसा
diverse
नहीं
characters. बरज़ख अलग था बिल्कुल.
मेरे लिए तो नहीं था. I don't
नहीं
know about
था.
you.
No, completely. It was very difficult. I couldn't emote. I was like, Asim, what are we doing here? ज़्यादा flat ना हो जाए. Because she couldn't. वो ना इस दुनिया की है ना उस दुनिया की है. So she couldn't. Sherzad couldn't emote too much.
Yeah.
Not on her face, not in her voice. So I think Asim and I, in rehearsals, I keep saying in rehearsals, whenever I'd read with everyone, तो कुछ अलग ही निकल आता था और उस rehearsal space में हमने शहरजाद को कुछ बना दिया. शहरजाद मुश्किल थी. बाकी I think
बाकी सारे easy थे.
बाकी नहीं
सबका
बाकी भी
बाकियों का काम आसान था.
मसला कोई नहीं.
नहीं बाकी एक्चुअली हाँ और मुश्किल well the directors were all so different. सबका अपना अलग स्टाइल है, सबके अलग requirements हैं and सारे directors are very clear कि उनको अपने actor से क्या चाहिए. So they were very vocal about how they wanted the character, which direction the character should go in.